guys, and welcome back. To get started, I'm going to introduce the vegan option for this soup. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add 1 cubed medium potato. Optionally, season the potatoes with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Add and saute 1 medium onion. Add a sprig of thyme, 1 large carrot, about 8 sliced cherry tomatoes, two stalks of celery, 2 bay leaves, 3 cloves of garlic, half cup of peas, half cup of corn. You can also add some noodles to the soup to add to the body of the soup. However, if you would prefer a gluten-free option, then choose a gluten-free noodle or omit the noodles altogether. To add meat flavors to this soup, consider adding some sausage, some beef, chicken, salami, pepperoni, whatever leftover meats you may have in your kitchen. Now add 2 cups of your favorite vegetable broth and bring these ingredients to a boil. Cook on low flame from 20 to 30 minutes. Garnish with parsley, serve hot, and enjoy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. And until next time, remember, be creative in the kitchen and walk good.